Hi my dear students and viewers. How are you my viewers and students? Hope you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. Today in this video I will tell about process writing. Today's topic is recruitment of Air Force. So let's start our video. Recruitment of the Indian Air Force is made by advertisement in newspaper. Applications are invited from the suitable candidates. Written tests on mathematics, language and general knowledge are held. The eligible candidates are asked to appear before an interview board by letters. After being duly interviewed, the candidates have to go in for medical examination. They have to appear at the endurance test too. If they duly pass this test, they are selected. এইটুকু লিখলেই হয়ে যাবে আশা করি। তো that's all for today's topic.